In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom sticker from a photograph on WhatsApp Web. So head to web.whatsapp.com. Make sure that you're signed in. When you're signed in, what you want to do is you want to go to a chat to bring up the bottom bar that we see here. And there's two different ways of getting to the sticker option. We could hit the attach button and you can see here there's an option for new sticker. Or we could hit the emoji, GIFs, and sticker option. I'm going to go into this option. And you want to make sure that you are selected on the sticker option, which is this one. And then we're going to hit create. Whenever we hit create, it will bring up our files on our computer. So find the photograph that you are wanting to turn into a sticker. I'm going to click on this one and we're going to hit open. Now, there's a few different editing options that you have here. The HD option is not selected for this. You can see it's grayed out, so it's not giving me the option for that. We can attach another sticker on top of this sticker. So if it's a GIF, it's not going to be animated. It's going to be a static picture. So just keep that in mind. So if I select something here, you can see that turns into a static image and I can resize that to whichever size I want. If I want to delete it, then I just hit the delete button. Another option that we have is we can add emojis directly onto it. And again, we can rotate and we can resize. If you need to blur something out on the picture, we use this tool. Again, we can resize this if needs be. Move it about. And we can also create how transparent you want the blur to be. And we're just going to hit the delete option again. Here we can use basic shapes to point to something on the sticker. We can even change the color of it. And we can bend the arrow and we can resize it. We can add text onto the sticker. And you can also add an emoji from here to add into the text. You can change the color of the text. You can change the font of the text. And you can change whether it has a background or not. The pen tool allows you to doodle on the picture if needs be. You can create different types of thicknesses. And then we've got a filter option, so you could give it a different look to the sticker. We can crop the sticker. We can turn it upside down and rotate it. And then the last one is a smart cut. Now, this smart cut option basically removes the background. I'm just going to give you an idea of how that looks. Obviously, you're going to be a bit more careful with it than what I was there. Basically, you can just send the sticker once you're finished. Now, if you want to save this sticker to one of your favorites, you can click on this and then hit add favorites. And that's basically it.